Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy and delicious chicken recipe. I'm going to make chicken breast with extra lean ham. It's going to be a restaurant chicken. It's going to be very delicious. You can use as an appetizer or you can use as a main course dish. And let's get started. 2 big size chicken breast. Then I'm going to use extra lean ham. This is 98% fat free. I'm going to use the 7 slices. Ham cut into nice small size pieces. Chicken also cut into small size pieces. Water, 1/4 cup. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. All the spices will be 1/2 teaspoon. Ginger, garlic, cumin, coriander, black pepper, red chili powder. I'm not going to use any salt since we are using soy sauce. And let's start making our delicious chicken ham. Get a knife and I'm going to start gas. And we're going to keep gas on high. I'll bring olive oil. We're going to bring chicken. Keep moving so it won't get burned. 2 minutes of cooking. This is how our chicken looks. We wash the chicken with the cold water and it has released all the water. Now I'm going to bring all the spices. So bring the chicken on the side. Ginger, cumin, coriander, red chili powder, garlic powder, black pepper. Mix it. Once all the spices are nicely combined, we'll bring the chicken and mix it well. And keep cooking on high gas. Another 3 minutes of cooking, altogether cooking for 5 minutes. The chicken looking delicious. Now I'm going to bring soy sauce. 1/4 cup water. Mix it well. Bring your gas to medium. Cover with the lid and we're going to cook it on medium gas for 5 minutes. Cooking on medium gas with the cover lid for 5 minutes. I'm going to open it. Stir it. If we cut the chicken, let's see, it's nicely cut through. Chicken breast don't take that time to cook. I'm going to bring the gas on high. Even the bigger piece, if we take a look, it's nicely cut through. Now we're going to bring the ham. Ham is pre-cooked. So on high gas, we're going to cook it until the water evaporates. So mix it well. It's gonna take a couple more minutes. 1 teaspoon parsley flakes. Mix it well. Another 3 minutes of cooking. The water has been dried up. This is looking perfect. It's all done. I need to turn off the gas. And I'm going to dish out. I got my serving platter. Wow. So delicious. Chicken breast with the ham is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. You can serve as appetizer or you can serve with roti, chapati, fulka, naan, parantha, even bread. And best of all with rice flour. I hope you're going to like this dish. And if you like it, like always, like, share, subscribe, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.